Welcome back to our module on practicing rhythms. This is lesson number 4. This morning I was running a little bit late, so I didn't have time to drive from Roanoke, so I flew. I flew from Roanoke to Bassett. I live in Roanoke, in case you don't know. So I flew from Roanoke to Bassett, and boy, my arms sure are tired. Anyway, today we're going to do what we did in lesson 2, and I'm going to clap one of these rhythms. And you're going to tell me which one it is, A, B, C, or D, for each one of these problems, 1, 2, or 3. Now, this is what I would do if I was a student. I would make sure I knew how to do these rhythms, and if I didn't, I'd go back and watch the previous lessons and make sure I understand it. If I still don't understand it, I'm going to write the teacher, and then I'm going to ask them to please explain it a little better. I don't understanding this or that, and be kind of specific. And I'm going to make sure I understand it, and then I'm going to clap all of these rhythms. And you remember the 16th notes, we're going to say 1 E and A, right? On the 8th notes, we're going to say 1 and, or in this case it'd be 2 and, right? So that's how we're going to do it. I'm going to clap it and myself, and I'm going to do this slowly. I want to help you with number 1, okay? I'm going to clap it really slowly, and I'm going to go 1 E and let me do that again. Sorry, made a mistake. I'm trying to see it in my computer screen. I'm having to read it backwards. Here we go. 1 E and 2, 3 E and 4. Notice I separate my hands on the rest. That's because it's silence. So I would do it again. 1 E and 2, 3 E and 4. On this one, I'm going to clap on beats 3 and 4. These two are very similar. This has a rest on 3 and a rest on 4. This has a note on 3 and a note on 4. So it would represent playing by putting clapping right there. So then I would do this one. 1 E and 2, 3 E and 4. Okay, so I would know how to do that one. Then I would do this one. 1 E and 2 and 3, 4. Let's do that again. 1 E and 2 and 3, 4. Okay? And then I would do this one. 1 E and 2, 3 and 4. Again. 1 E and 2, 3 and 4. And you notice there's a little bit of difference between this one and that one. On beat 2 here, I actually have 2 eighth notes. So 2 and. On beat 2 here, this is beat 1, 1 E and A. On beat 2, I clap 2 eighth notes. On this one, on beat 1, same thing, 1 E and A, but here I have a rest. And I put my 2 eighth notes on beat 3, where on this one, I have my rest on beat 3. And that's how I know the difference, okay? So I'm going to pick one out of here, and I'm going to clap it, and you decide which one it is, all right? Are you ready? I'm going to do it 2 times for you. All right, here we go. 1 E and 2 and 3, 4. I'll give you a second to think about that. All right, let's try it again. 1 E and 2 and 3, 4. When I planned this lesson, I originally was only going to help you on the first one, but I think I'm going to clap each one of these measures for you, but you need to be doing it along with me, okay? So this one, we're going to have incorporate our ties that we talked about in lesson 3, okay? So this one is going to be 1 and, right? So let's try it together. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Remember, we don't clap on 4 because it's tied, but we would sustain that sound. If I was playing this in handbells, it would be like this. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. If you didn't have the tie, it would be 1 and 2, 3 and 4. But we do have a tie. And that's how you do it. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. All right. So I'm going to clap this one now for you. You clap along with me. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3. Messed up. Do it again. 1 and 2 and... I'm trying to read it backwards. Looking at my computer, it looks backwards. So let's try it again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. That's how you do it. Let's do it a little slower. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. I'm going to do it one more time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and don't clap on 3 and 4. Let's do C. Do it twice if I don't mess up. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right. And now we'll clap D. Here we go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Again. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. All right. Now I'm going to pick one of those. You tell me which one I clapped. Okay. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. We'll do it again. I had to look at the board. I'll try to look at my screen this time and do it that way. All right, let's try it. Let's try it again. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. One more time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, is it A, B, C, or D? And let's look at number 3. I'll clap these with you. This is a little simpler. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Do it again because you tie these. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. B. This is really easy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to do that twice. It's too easy. Do this one again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Notice it's tied between the 2 and the 3. Then you clap again on the hand. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right. And this last one. Really easy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So, I'm going to clap one of these for you, and then you tell me which one it is. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, C, or D. If you have any questions, let me know, and have a good rest of your day.